Find the measure of the larger angle between these two lines. So again, we need to get the slope of these two lines, and then we'll use our tan formula to find the angle between these two lines. So I'll just set up my t again and put down my two lines. Okay, so my lines are 4x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0, and now, so just watching here, I'm going to write it as x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so just notice there that, you know, it was written in a different way around, so you would want to be careful when you're using minus b over a, or sorry, minus a over b. So I'm going to go with my formula then, that m, so if we have ax plus by plus c equal to 0, this implies that m is equal to minus a over b. Okay, so what are we going to get for this one? Okay, so we'd have 4 over minus 3, so that will give me 4 over 3, because I need a sign change. Okay, so that's m1. Now m2 then would be 1 over 2, and we need to do a sign change, so minus 1 over 2, or minus a half. Okay, so then the tan of my angle is equal to, now again I'm going to use my absolute value, even though I can see in my question I need the larger angle. It's just a lot easier to work with the positive angle, and then we'll subtract it from 180, because the two angles at all times must equal 180. Okay, so then I have 4 over 3 minus, well sorry, I'll write down my formula first, so just so we can watch our signs. So absolute value m1 minus m2 over 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, so absolute value of m1, which is 4 over 3, minus a half over m2, which is 4, or sorry, m1, which is 4 over 3, sorry, excuse me, delete that, I just need a 1 in that position. So 1 plus 4 over 3 times minus a half. Okay, so then off to my calculator again. Absolute value, fraction, 4 over 3 minus a half (1 plus 4 over 3 times minus a half). Okay, so we get 11 over 2. Okay, and then we go with, this implies that theta is equal to inverse tan of 11 over 2. So back to our calculator again. Inverse tan, that answer is 79.69, so 79.70 degrees. Now remember, that's not the one we're looking for. So we have a scenario here where we have two lines. Okay, so obviously we have an acute angle, and we also at all times have an obtuse angle. Okay, so the acute angle will be the positive answer, and the obtuse angle will be the negative answer. So if we always find the positive answer, the negative answer is, or the obtuse angle is simply just going to be the one we want. Will be, this implies the theta we require will be 180 degrees minus the 79.70, which will give me 100.3 degrees. And to the nearest degree, that's 100 degrees.